on my way to my 4D scan. I did one yesterday and baby was not showing himself. He was literally hiding his face, putting his feet in front of his face, and I only got to see like this tiny bit of his face. So we kindly got re-invited to do another scan today, and I'm just gonna pick up some Coca-Cola and some sweet stuff to get him to wake up, because I could feel that he's like in chill mode right now. Oh, that. Whenever I drink this, okay. Secure the goods. Let's wake up baby. Oh, Jesus. I usually have Diet Coke. Oh my God. I really wonder what he's gonna look like, because he did look a little bit different than Liam from what I saw. Let's see.
Because the hand, if you could see in there.
In the
front.
face.
Yeah, and the foot. Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh my God.
Doing like this, see?
Yeah.
He's still like...
He doesn't want to.
That's...
I'm back home and baby has not revealed himself. It was actually worse than yesterday, because now he had both his hands in front of his face and his feet, and the placenta was in front of him and he was facing downwards. He's already kind of trying to get into position. So I'm gonna go back next week for a final attempt.